Hey friends, if sleep option is missing on Windows and you wish to restore it, then please watch this video. Now, whenever someone says that the sleep option is missing on Windows, my first thought goes on the fact that it could be disabled from power options. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Go to this option on the list on the left hand side, choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently available and make sure that sleep is checked. If it is not checked, then check it and then click on save changes. After this, you can reset the power plan. So select a good power plan, like I'll select the balanced power plan. Click on change plan settings and click on restore default settings of the plan. Click on yes. Lastly, update Windows and all of its drivers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates and let it update completely. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.